In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best pickleball paddle available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the pickleball paddle list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the pickleball paddle mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, AMASPORT USAPA Pickleball Paddle. The AMASPORT USAPA Pickleball Paddle is crafted from premium T700 raw carbon fiber, ensuring exceptional durability and performance. With a 16 mm thickness and innovative cross-tech technology, this paddle provides superior control, power, and precision. It is designed to meet USAPA standards, making it suitable for competitive play. The paddle includes a protective cover, ensuring it remains in top condition for long-lasting use. Ideal for players of all skill levels, it delivers an optimized grip and feel for enhanced gameplay. Number 4, Carbon Racket Pickleball Paddles. The Carbon Racket Pickleball Paddles are designed for both beginners and professionals. With a 14 mm thickness, they offer a balanced combination of power and control. Made to meet USAPA standards, these paddles are suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. They make an excellent gift and are perfect for enhancing skills, improving performance, and enjoying the game. The paddles are constructed to provide durability and a comfortable grip. Number 3, INSUM T1000 Pickleball Paddle. The INSUM T1000 Pickleball Paddle features charged surface tech for increased power and feel. With a thermoformed CFS, carbon fiber surface, and a 16 mm thickness, this paddle ensures maximum performance, control, and durability. Its innovative design allows for enhanced ball response, offering a competitive edge. Suitable for all levels of play, the paddle is designed for players looking to elevate their game with precision and power. Number 2, Pickleball Paddles Set. This pickleball paddle set is USAPA compliant and perfect for all skill levels. The set includes a pair of paddles and 4 balls, making it a complete package for outdoor or indoor pickleball games. The paddles are ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable grip for both men and women, ensuring hours of enjoyable play. Ideal for both practice and competitive matches, this set is built to deliver reliable performance and fun. Number 1, Pickleball Paddle 16 mm USAPA Compliant. The Pickleball Paddle 16 mm USAPA Compliant is a professional-grade paddle made from premium carbon fiber. Designed for optimal practice sessions and competitive play, it features a 16 mm thickness for enhanced power and control. The paddle includes a comfortable grip for better handling and reduced fatigue. Meeting USAPA standards, this paddle is ideal for players who seek high performance and precision in their game.